Two circles having radius 3.5 centimeter and 4.8 centimeter touch each other internally. Find the distance between their centers. Uh, we have two circles, one with center O. The greater circle is with center O, and the center of the smaller circle is B, and P is their common point of contact. So let two circles be with center A and B touch each other in point P. So point P is common point of contact for both the circles. The radii are already given. 3.5 is the radius of the smaller circle and 4.8 is the radius of the greater circle. And radius of the bigger circle is AP. So here I can say AP is of 4.8 centimeter and BP is the radius of the smaller circle. So BP will become 3.5 centimeter. So BP is 3.5 centimeter, AP is 4.8 centimeter. We need to find out distance between their centers. As per the property of internally touching circles, we know the distance between their radius is actually AB. So AB is equal with AP, radius of the greater circle, minus BP, radius of the smaller circle. So here I'll take BP because A dash B dash P. So AP is 4.8 minus BP is 3.5. So length of AB will become 1.3 centimeter. So here the distance between the center of given circle is 1.3 centimeter. The distance between the centers of given circles is 1.3 centimeter. So this way we can use theorem on internally touching circles because these two circles are touching each other internally. So here you need to mention intersecting in point P internally. So when two circles touch each other internally, then the distance between their centers should be equal with the difference. O and P are centers of the circle touching each other at point A. This radius OA is actually 5.5 centimeter, radius of the greater circle, and this AP is 4.2 centimeter, and OP is distance between their radius, between their centers. So here we will mention everything because names are not given in our question. So I'll write, let circles with centers O and P touch each other in point A externally. Question says they're touching each other externally. So here we will write externally. So we will use property of externally touching circles. So in that case, we can say that OP is distance between their center, which is equal with OA plus AP, where O, A, P are collinear. OP is equals to OA 5.5 centimeter, AP is 4.2 centimeter. So OP is 9.7 centimeter, and this is distance between their center. So you will write your final answer. The distance between the centers of the given circle is 9.7 centimeter. So this is all about this question. This way you can write your solution. This is complete solution of this question. These are very simple question where you need to just use a property or theorem on internally and externally touching circles. And we have already discussed when two circles touching externally, then the distance between their center should be same as sum of their radii. So as you can see, OA is a radius of greater circle, AP is a radius of the smaller circle. So when we add these two radii, I'll get distance between their centers. So here we are using theorem.